Hello children.
Yes. So we are discussing multiple choice questions from the chapter geometry, right? Coming to the first question, question number 34. Which of the following figures is congruent? Now what does this congruent means? Congruent means those figures that are same in the shape and size. That are same in the shape and size. Now if you look at the given options, all the given figures are the same in shapes. Yes or no? See, both the figures in each option have the same shape, but when we look at the size, only option A, the figures in option A have the same size as the other. So option A becomes congruent figures. What are they, children? These two figures are said to be congruent because they are having the similar shape and size. Now coming to question 35, which of the following figure contains exactly 3 circles? So from the following figures, we have to find out the figure which has exactly 3 circles. Coming to figure A, we have 1 and 2 circles. Coming to figure B, we have 1 circle. Coming to figure C, we have 1, 2 and 3. So we have 3 circles, and coming to figure D, we have 2 circles. So which will be our correct option, children? Option C. Yes, the figure C has exactly 3 circles. Question 36. Which of the following pair of shapes when joined together, placing them edge to edge, can form a rectangle? So what is this? We have to join the given pair of shapes together so that they form a rectangle. If we look at option A, children, if we join these two figures together, see, I am joining this one here as well. So upon joining these two figures, or joining these pair of figures, we get a rectangle. The resultant figure is a rectangle. Yes, so option A becomes our correct answer. I hope this is clear. Coming to question 37. How many triangles are there in the given figure? So what should we do? We should count the number of triangles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope this is correct. Yes. So we are having 4 rectangles in this figure. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So option B, 4 becomes the correct answer. Question 38. Which one of the following has 6 square faces, children? You have to read the question again. Which one of the following has 6 square faces? So when we are talking about faces, the faces can be found only in 3D shapes. Option A, triangle, is a 2D shape. So A cannot be the answer. Coming to B, our cylinder has 3 faces. Yes, 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. Now neither of these 3 is a square. Is it in the shape of a square? No. So B is also wrong. Now coming to C and D. C is a cube and D is a cuboid. As we all know, both cuboid and cuboid have 6 faces. But in the question they have clearly mentioned that it should have 6 square faces. So cube becomes our answer. All the faces of a cube are squares. If it was 6 rectangle faces, then our answer would be cuboid. Okay, children? So what is our answer here? 6 square faces is our square. So again, what did I say? 6 rectangle faces means we should go for cuboid. No, again it is also wrong. Rectangle has 4 square faces and 4 rectangle. Cuboid has 4 rectangle faces and 2 square faces. See, yes, these two are square faces and the remaining 4 are rectangular faces for a cuboid. Only a cube has 6 square faces, children. So option C is our correct answer here. Question 39. Identify who am I. I have one plane face which is my base. I have one curved face and one vertex. So our figure, that is our resultant answer, will have what? It will have one plane face, one curved face and one vertex. If we look at option A, square, square is a 2D shape, children, so we will not talk about faces here. Okay, again rectangle is also a 2D shape, so we will not talk about faces. Now coming to option C, cone. This is the shape of a cone. Let us see, does it have one plane face? Yes, it has one plane face, which is my base. Yes, here base means what? Which is at the bottom. Yes, so cone is having a plane face as its base. It is correct. Now coming to second condition, I have one curved face. Yes, the curved face, here it is a curved face, so this is also true. Now coming to third one, I have one vertex. Yes, it is having only one vertex, so here cone is fulfilling all these three conditions given in the question. So our figure that we want here is cone. Cone is the correct answer. Question 40. Match the shape of the following objects. What should we do, children? Here in list 1 we are having a certain objects and we have to match them with their shapes in list 2. So coming to the first one, a dice. Dice, how does a dice look? This is how a dice would be. Yes or no? So dice is in the shape of a what? Cube. So dice is matched with cube. Next comes a pencil box. Pencil box, again this will be our pencil box. Yes, again pencil box is also a 3D shape. We can rotate and see. So pencil box is in the shape of a cuboid. Now coming to C, that is a blackboard. Now coming to blackboard, children, blackboard is in the shape of a rectangle. It is not a 3D shape. Yes, it is. So blackboard comes in the shape of a rectangle. The shape of rectangle becomes, so the shape of blackboard becomes rectangle. Coming to a birthday cap. So this is how a birthday cap looks like. So what is this shape? It is in the shape of a cone. So D is matched with 3. Next up we have a bottle cap. See, this is how, let us see how does a bottle cap look like. Yes, a bottle cap looks something like this. Yes, so this is the shape of a, what is this, children? A bottle cap is in the shape of a circle. Bottle cap is in the shape of a circle. Actually it would be cylindrical shape, but here as we do not have cylinder, the nearest answer, we have to go for the nearest answer, which is the circle. Okay, if you have cylinder, choose cylinder, don't choose circle. So what are our correct answers now? Dice in the form of a cube, the shape of a pencil box is a cuboid, blackboard is a rectangle, birthday cap is a cone, and bottle cap is a circle. So these will be our correct answers, that is option B. A5, B2, C1, D3 and E as 4. E as 4. Clear, children? Question 41. How many edges does a cylinder have? If you remember about the properties of cylinder, children, does cylinder have any edges? Cylinder has two edges. Yes, see, this is our cylinder. What is an edge? Edge is where two faces meet. So these two faces meet here. So this will be one edge, and again these two faces also meet. So this will be our second edge, and both these edges are curved. Both the edges of our cylinder are curved. Yes. Now question 42. Choose the objects which have curved surfaces. Option A, book and blackboard. Do book and blackboard have curved faces, children? No, they have flat surfaces. Next, coming to B, option B, tube light, candle. Tube light and candle. What is this? Tube light and candle have both curved faces of surface and as well as flat surface. They both are in the shape of a cylinder. Yes or no? So they have both curved and flat surfaces. Coming to option C, cricket ball, orange and ring. Cricket ball, orange and ring. These three are in the shape of a sphere. So these have only curved surfaces. Only curved surfaces. So option C becomes our correct answer. I hope this is clear, children. Question 43. Each of the following figures have to be folded along a straight line in such a way that one part overlaps the other exactly. Which of the following cannot be overlapped? Overlapped means what? What is they saying? Suppose I am taking the figure A, that is a circle. I am drawing a dotted line in the middle. Okay, so after drawing the dotted line, I will fold my shape such that it overlaps. See, this is the left side, this is the right side. Yes, so that the left side is completely placed on the right side. I am folding it in half. Overlaps, it is on the other side. The left side is will come on the right side. Now in this way, so from the given 4 options, I can fold only 3 shapes like this, where both the sides will overlap each other exactly. One part overlaps the other exactly. Now which of the following cannot be overlapped here, children? That would be cone. Circle, square, circle, rectangle and triangle. These 3 I can overlap exactly, but for cone it is not possible to overlap exactly. Question 44. Count the number of line segments in the following figure. What should we do? Count the number of line segments. It is very easy, right? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So the total number of line segments in the given figure is 18. That is option C.